So I'm taking the pressure plate off, and of course there's different bolts.
3 different.
Yeah, 3 different kinds of bolt, and they're different sizes. Fiona might be related to the GTO. What you got, Wiki?
A Fiona clutch.
Fiona clutch.
No, it's not a double disc, it's a delaminated disc. Is
Yeah,
what it
fuck
is.
is what it is.
Like, look how it's just polished smooth. Like, feel it.
Wow. Oh. Did it just try to come apart in my hand?
Probably.
Oh, yeah, that's fucking cute.
Yeah, it's no wonder the clutch was slipping.
Enough dirt in there?
Mm-hmm.
Grease? Sludge? Should we just pull that and be like...
I mean, it's going to need to be turned or something.
Surfaced?
Surfaced. Roughened.
Be like...
I guess. I mean, or do you want to just take it to the engine to the machine shop and let him deal with it?
Well, yeah. Yeah, Brian can usually do that.
Because he's good.
I didn't have my light on, and you turned your head, and now I don't have my light.
Did I blind you?
No, I can't see what's going on.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm trying to turn my head anymore.
Yeah, so we'll pull that, send that over to Brian.
Yeah, I might as well pull it out of there, I guess.
Because if he doesn't, I don't think he does them in house, but he's got a place like down the road that does it. So I just have him do all that shit. You know, less headaches for us.
Less headaches for us is good.
Woo! Well, project. How frisky are you feeling?
What about taking the flywheel out?
I was thinking just throw the fucking motor on the floor while we're at it.
Well, we don't have a hoist.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a problem. My hoist is at Menrad's.
And what if he comes back and says, yeah, it's going to be like 10 grand?
I highly doubt that.
Yeah.
No. Like, if he's just doing the machine work and assembly, it ain't gonna be much.